Greetings and welcome to another episode of the School of Life. Today, I would like to reason about the benefits of nature. Breathe in, inhaling all of the benefits of nature and the healthy air that is around us. Exhale. As we exhale, we release the stress that is in our bodies from the daily toils, the things that we're expected to do with our lives each day. This oxygen carbon dioxide exchange is best in nature when we are surrounded with the trees. Our carbon dioxide feeds the trees. The oxygen that they provide in return feeds us. This is the healthiest and best possible way to make this exchange happen for us. There is no better way to breathe fresh air than to be surrounded and immersed in the trees, where the trees get the benefit and we get the benefit. It's so crucial that we participate in this oxygen carbon dioxide exchange in the forest in a natural setting where we can actually breathe the freshest air that is available to us. I encourage you to find yourself in nature today, breathing some fresh air with the trees. Let go of technology and obligations, allowing the pace of life to slow. As the stream flows, so flows the pace of life. Take a moment. Take a moment to appreciate the natural surroundings. Be present in this moment. Invest in nature. Invest in yourself. Plant a garden and put energy and time into it. This is the best way that you can reap the best benefits from nature, harvesting the most that nature has to offer. Be aware, be cyclical with nature, understand that there is a timing for everything, and become a part of that timing. Be nature. Thank you for watching. I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to like, post comments down below, subscribe on YouTube. All of your thoughts and opinions are greatly valued. So again, thank you very much and bless.